Video, I'm going to show you how to import products from CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify store. First, if you haven't created your Shopify store yet, you can start with a 3-month trial through the link in the description. This offer gives you a 3-day free trial and then 3 months for just €1, dollar, or pound per month, which is an amazing deal to get your store started without spending much. Next, you'll also need a CJ Dropshipping account, and I've included a link to their sign-up page in the description as well. Once you have both accounts ready, open tabs for Shopify and CJ Dropshipping and log into both. On CJ Dropshipping, the left menu to the authorization section and click on Shopify. If you haven't connected your store yet, click on Create Your Store Now, which will redirect you to Shopify to authorize the connection. After connecting, go back to CJ Dropshipping and click Authorize to complete the integration. This will allow your Shopify store to communicate directly with CJ Dropshipping. Now you're ready to import products. Simply browse the CJ catalog for the product you want, like a wireless charging stand, and click on it. Scroll down and click List to edit the listing. Here, you can customize the title, description, images, pricing, and variants to match your store style. Make sure the store selection is set to your Shopify store, then click List. The product will now be imported directly into your Shopify store. Once listed, you can check My Products on CJ Dropshipping to see it, or go to your Shopify dashboard under Products to confirm it's there. Everything, including images, price, and description, will appear just as you set it. When you get an order for this product, it will also sync to CJ Dropshipping under Store Orders, making fulfillment seamless and automated. And that's it. That's to Shopify. If you want to get started, don't forget to use the links in the description for your Shopify trial and CJ Dropshipping sign up. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Happy selling.